In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make schedule-triggered flow to send an email based on a date field. First, log into your Salesforce account. From the home page, open Setup and choose the Advanced Setup experience so you're in the full admin view. In the Quick Find box, type Flows and open the Flows page. Click New Flow, then select Schedule-Triggered Flow. A schedule-triggered flow runs automatically on a timetable you define and evaluates records that meet your filters at that time, which is perfect for sending time-based reminders. Set a start date for when you want this automation to begin. This is the first day Salesforce will run the schedule. Next, choose a start time. Pick a time that fits your user's time zone and email best practices. Early morning local time often works well. Set the frequency to daily, so Salesforce checks every day for records that match your criteria. You can later adjust this to weekly or monthly if that better suits your needs. Now choose the object you want to evaluate. In this example, select Opportunity. We'll base our selection on a date field, so choose the Close Date field. Then set the value for close date to define which records the flow should act on. For example, opportunities with a close date that matches the run date. This filter is what limits the flow to only the records that need an email that day. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add an element and choose Send Email. This action sends an email directly from the flow without needing an external email alert. Give the element a clear label so you recognize it later. The API name will autofill based on your label. For recipients, set the address source to the account associated with the opportunity and select Entire Resource, so Salesforce can resolve the related record and use its email field. Then choose Current User as the sender type to send from whoever owns or runs the flow context, which helps with trust and deliverability. Type the subject and body of your email. Keep it concise, and consider merging key fields like opportunity name or close date, using resources from the record to personalize the message. When you're happy, click Save. Give the flow a descriptive flow label so you can find it later. Again, the API name fills in automatically. Click Save to store your changes. After saving, don't forget to activate the flow when you're ready, and test in a sandbox or with a small sample to verify timing, recipients, and content. That's it. You set a daily schedule, filtered by a date field, and added a send email action tied to your records. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.